What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin because Dogecoin is inside consolidation right now, as you can see. So we're going to go over the technical analysis and some news that we have for Dogecoin today. But before we go over that, please hit the like button, subscribe, helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also don't forget to check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and public.com. But most importantly, public.com, because you can follow me on there. Now, let's get straight to this technical analysis with Dogecoin. As you can see, Dogecoin is inside of a consolidation period. So this consolidation period consists of these lines right here. You can see right now we are bouncing off of this little trend line here. So now Dogecoin has to decide whether or not it's going to break out of this consolidation period on an uptrend like this, or whether or not it's going to break out the consolidation on a downtrend like this. So I'm not going to say which one I believe. Well, I will say which one I believe it'll go. To be completely honest, as you can see here, the price is getting higher, but it's still getting, like, you can see the bottoms here are getting a little bit higher, but the tops are getting lower and lower and lower. So this consolidation period will more than likely result in us going down on this trend line, just being completely honest. But we're probably just going to meet the support line again at 24 cents. And hopefully we can bounce back off that support line after our consolidation. But let's be completely honest, after the consolidation period, usually we go below our support lines or our resistance lines. Whatever way it goes, it's going to go above the line. So if it goes up on an uptrend, it's going to go above this 26-cent the 26-cent support line, almost that trend line. And then if we go on the downtrend, it's going to go below the 24-cent support line, almost that trend line again. But yeah, let's go over this from Yahoo Finance's point of view now. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Now, Dogecoin daily technical analysis. So September 9th, 2021. So Dogecoin rose by 51.51% on Wednesday, following a 17.43% tumble on Tuesday. Dogecoin ended the day at 25 cents to 67. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin fall, as we all know this. So steering clear of the first major support level of 2062, Dogecoin rose to a late afternoon intraday high of 2634. So falling short of the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, Dogecoin first major resistance level at 3080. Dogecoin eased back to the end of the day at sub 26-cent levels. So at the time of the writing, Dogecoin was blah, 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 blah. So for the day ahead, this is what we really want to know about. Dogecoin would need to avoid 2512 pivot to bring the first major resistance at 2689. So they're saying we need to avoid 25 cents in order to bring our first major resistance at 2689. So our 25-cent pivot that we're at right now is pretty much where we're at right now. And by pivot, I believe they mean something like a consolidation period. That's what I call it. I call it consolidation. And a lot of people call it that too. But a lot of people also call it pivot. But anyways, look at this right here. Dogecoin would have to break through this on a positive uptrend. And as you can see here, let's go right back over here. You need to get past 2689. So Dogecoin would need to get past this area up here that we already have established as our resistance, almost as support there. But yeah, we have to get past our resistance line. So I already mentioned that. So support from the broader market would be needed. However, for Dogecoin to break out from Wednesday's high of 2634, we would need the whole broader crypto market to go crazy, because let's be completely honest, the broader crypto market is still down too. So Bitcoin at 46.9K. Remember, Bitcoin was at 52K before. Now we got Ethereum at 3,500. And yeah, everything else is kind of, iffy right now. You got Cardano at 8.32% up. So Cardano's always going to do well. Like we just been seeing Cardano doing crazy. And this whole time, everything's been inside the red. Solana has been going crazy. Solana has been breaking the odds. I'm definitely going to make a Solana video. I have one of those in the making, so watch out for that. But yeah, we got Dogecoin down up 2.95% in the last 24 hours, down 16% in the last 7 days. So bearing an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level would likely cap the upside. So the first major resistance level we already mentioned, that was at 2689, 2689. Yeah, 2689. So in the event of a broad-based crypto rally, Dogecoin would test resistance at 23.6% Fibonacci retracement at 3016 before any pullback. So the second major resistance level sits at 2811. So our second major resistance is all the way up here at the 28 cents line that I have marked right here. So that's what they're talking about here. Now, hopefully we could actually pass that 28-cent level. Now, this is the Fibonacci retracement level that I'm talking about, the 26-cent one, or the 26 one. But anyways, Dogecoin just needs to pass 26 cents. That's all we really need to take out of this technical analysis. We need to pass 26 cents so then we can retest our next major resistance at 28 cents. But if we break out of this consolidation going down on this negative trend line, then we're more than likely going to break our support and go lower. So hopefully we do not do that. Always. A fall through the 25.12 pivot would bring the first major support of 23.90, like I just now mentioned. A fall from this little consolidation will bring us all the way down here. And then eventually, let's take off this auto, and then eventually down here. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Now, barring another extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should avoid sub-levels of 20 cents. And the second major support at 22.13 should limit the downside. So yeah, it's saying that we're not going to pass this area right here. If we break out of our consolidation, we're more than likely not going to go below this. And I definitely agree with that. We had so much momentum building up before the flash crash that I believe it's impossible for us to go that low unless a bunch of Doge whales just kind of sold out and then just sold out on everyone, just left everyone holding the bag. So as you can see, first major support level 23.90, the pivot level 25.12, which is the consolidation I was talking about, and then the first major resistance, which is above the consolidation at 26.89 that we need to get above. And then you got over here the Fibonacci retracement level at 30.16 that we already went over, and then the Fibonacci retracement at 38, and then all at the 52 cents. But we don't even have to worry about 38 cents or 52 cents, not even 30 cents, because we just got to get past 26 cents and 28 in order to be good. But yeah, like I was saying with the whales, the only way that Dogecoin could really break this support level at 23 cents and go below it, the only way Dogecoin can go below that 22-cent support even, is if the whales just started selling out on us. And that's what we're about to go over now. Because ever since this all has happened, we've had Dogecoin whales taking advantage of the opportunity. So the opportunity of this flash crash has presented a lot of, buying opportunities and profits for these Dogecoin whales. So this Dogecoin whale came in yesterday at $75.2 million. Now, I do not believe these Dogecoin whales are about to start selling out on us, because a lot of them do sell. Like, there still are sell orders behind all these buyings. Like, look at this, 49 million Doge, $12 million. But they've bought way more than they sold inside Dogecoin since the flash crash. When the flash crash happened, they probably got a little bit scared. They sold out at 25 cents, and then they started buying more and more Dogecoin, and they're still buying more Dogecoin. So a lot of Dogecoin is flowing through these wallets. Same thing kind of happened here. This Dogecoin whale wallet, they don't really buy as much Dogecoin, but they're still buying Dogecoins left and right. So same thing with this whale wallet. They're buying lots of Dogecoin. Yes, they sold a lot, but right after this whole flash crash happened, they're like, "Oh wow, I'm gonna keep buying." So they came over here, $15 million, $74 million, $10 million, $20 million, $17 million, compared to their $13.7 million and $12 million sales. They bought way more than they sold. Same thing with this Dogecoin whale. This Dogecoin whale came in yesterday, actually, $4.9 million. $2.8 million on the 31st, and they've been buying a lot of Dogecoin. Last time they sold Dogecoin was on the 5th, like January, February, March, April, May. So yeah, May, I had to do the counting. I had to count that. So yeah, at May, they sold on May 10th, and they only sold $24 worth of Dogecoin compared to the millions that they've been buying since then. So I think we're good here on the Dogecoin whales. Even if I go back to this whole the front page of the Dogecoin whales, even like this top Dogecoin whale wallet will never sell huge amounts of Dogecoin no matter what kind of flash crash happens. This top Doge whale wallet, we assume it to be I don't want to say Vitalik. Who am I saying? Robinhood. Yeah, Robinhood. So we assume it to be Robinhood. They haven't sold since March. Actually, no, that's April. That's April. I said in April. But anyways, that's April right here. $7.3 million they sold in April. And that's when everything, right before everything started to go crazy at 7 cents. They probably just did it to cover some costs, but they haven't did anything crazy like that since. So I don't believe our Dogecoin whales are going to sell out on us. They see the potential here at Dogecoin. Now let's talk about the news that I was talking about before we started this video. So Robinhood launches recurring crypto investment option. So this is really big because most people that buy crypto on Robinhood actually buy Dogecoins. So that's a fun fact there. Robinhood also promised commission-free transactions to investors, irrespective of the volume of transactions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other cryptos on the platform. Yesterday, one of the world's leading cryptocurrencies platforms, as they call themselves, Robinhood, announced it would start the rollout of all recurring investments on its platform, all of them, which will in turn help investors enjoy hitch-free transactions. So the new feature promises to allow investors to buy crypto assets at their convenience in a stipulated schedule. The schedule might be daily, weekly, or even monthly, depending on each investor's holding power. I don't like the recurring investments. I'd rather invest with my own time and my own money, because you never know. Like, sometimes you might not have money in your account and they just take it out and you forget about it. So you don't want to get overdraft fees. So I'm not going to do any of that. But anyways, recurring investments are for people who are making like 100K plus a year, that are not worried about $100 a week getting taken out of their account. Not for guys like me that are probably making like 20, 30K a year, who would mind that being taken out of their account. So that's how I see it. But anyways, this is actually pretty good for the like broader crypto market. It's pretty good for everyone. So Robinhood went ahead to promise a commission-free transaction to investors, irrespective of the volume of transactions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other crypto assets. The new features automatically invest on schedules set by investors. The crypto outfit maintains that its algorithm won't make decisions for its clients, but will give suggestions in helping investors build a strong portfolio. So, according to the statement, the crypto markets can be volatile due to the nature, as we just now seen, the huge flash crash that just happened. So, yeah, even if you had $100 in a week, you would still be taking money out and still putting it inside Dogecoin, even when a crash happens, which is actually pretty good, because then you don't have to watch the markets and you can get them on the downsides and on the upsides. So that's the best way, dollar cost average. Everyone does that in the stock market. Might as well do it inside crypto too, right? So the next thing over here is the Dogepalooza thing that they have going on. Dogepalooza. So we all know this is about to start here inside 2021, October 9th, as they say. October 9th, you can attend this event. So they say legendary singer Dionne Warwick is coming to Sugarland for the first ever Dogepalooza festival. And also, you can get some tickets right here. You can win some free tickets. So let's read about the winning tickets. So the festival, which also features musician Damon and a bunch of other people, will bring fans of Dogecoin, a non-fungible token, blah, 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 type of cryptocurrency. The coin and the festival are named after the do only good every day of Dogecoin. So the Dogecoin Palooza will be held on October 9th. This is about to be big for Dogecoin because there's about to be a lot of big artists there. So October 9th at the Constellation Field in Sugarland. Enter here for a chance to win tickets. You can literally win your tickets here. So I guess you could just come over here, enter, win some tickets, and then maybe you'll get a 4-pack of VIP tickets, including a VIP dinner buffet. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff that you could get for free, so definitely check that out. Now I want to talk about Dogecoin NFTs. I'm not really big on NFTs, but a lot of people are big on NFTs. So I want you guys to let me know what you guys think about NFTs, because I'm really not that big on it. So that's why I don't really talk about NFTs on my channel. But let me know if you want me to start talking about NFTs. I'm not going to really go over this because I'm not big on NFTs, and I don't know if you guys are either. So let me know how you guys feel about NFTs. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.